Hello everyone, welcome back to my 21 days English challenge, and today is day 7, and that means you have successfully completed one full week of learning English with me. Most people only wish to learn English but they give up after a few days. You didn't give up, you are still here improving step by step, and that shows dedication and courage. Today's lesson is very special because we are going to learn polite English sentences, the kind of sentences that make you sound confident, respectfully and smart in daily life. Think about this. If someone say, "Give me a water," and another person says, "Could you please give me some water?" Which one sound better? Of course, the polite one. In English, being polite makes you confident, respectfully and professional. That's why today's lesson is very useful for school, home, office, everywhere. So here are 10 polite sentences you can start using today and repeat after me. Could you please help me? May I borrow your pen? Excuse me, can I ask you something? I am sorry, I didn't hear you. Would you mind repeating that? Thank you so much for your help. Please wait for a moment. I really appreciate your support. Could you show me the way, please? Sorry for the trouble and thank you. Here a simple rule to sound polite in English. Use words like please, sorry, thank you, excuse me, may I, could I, this type of sentences. Instead of giving direct answer, make soft request. Okay, like close the door. You can say like this, could you please close the door? Now it's time to practice. So let's practice together. Instead of saying give me your notebook, say may I borrow your notebook please? Instead of saying tell me the answer, say could you please tell me the answer? Now it's your turn. Change one rude sentences into a polite one and write in the comment. Okay? English becomes powerful when it is speak with respect. And politeness doesn't need big grammar, only small simple words. Day 7 challenge for you. Write 5 polite sentences in the comment and practice speaking them with your family or friends. Remember, politeness plus practice equal to perfect English. So, day 7 completed one full week of this challenge. You are amazing. Keep practicing. Don't stop. English will become easier day by day if you stay consistent. See you tomorrow with day 8, a new topic, new lesson and new motivation. Thank you.